game is called Birds Watching. Okay, you can see it. Let's check the options. There are basically no options. Great. New game. I've never played this game before, so I need content from this game. So, well, yeah, just crashed. I was saying, new game, but we already made it, so continue. Alrighty. Alright. One day, a summer fire broke out. Oh my god. It seemed a fire destined to burn out, like so many others. Oh, I can't skip it. I can't skip it. I'm pressing enter. Right, left click, right click. Yeah, well, I think I'm lagging. Hello? Well, instead, he consumed everything. Cities, forests, animals, and human beings. In their place, the fire left ash on the ground and black smoke in the sky. What remains of the world is disturbing today. Is still burning today. On the top of a mountain, a human being still alive. Let him kill human beings, not just call him. He did not know if he was the last, but he was completely alone, or almost. Yo, I want to play the game already, huh? Dozens of birds have fled to the mountain. They were fleeing from the fire. The human being spent his days watching them through binoculars. It was a peaceful life. Every day, tapping at the window looked the human being. It was a little bird, his bird. When only that little bird had allowed itself to be tamed. When he called it, the little bird perched on his arm. The human being has seen what? A special glove to carry it around. He had even given it a nickname. He called it French. I don't know how to say French. Actually, croissant. So I don't care if it's wrong. Croissant will be its name. They would watch the birds' peaceful life. But it would not last. It was happening as soon as don't forget to grab your snacks. Okay, so whoa, yeah, that jump scared me. Alright, with the village. Tap the show to hide. Watch the birds. That's my. There's another, an old farm. Ah, I don't think this is a good area. You, croissant, bro. Alright, I just wanted to see croissant for a second. Study, please, please. I gotta swallow. Okay. Get the binoculars out. Oh, swallow. The same one though. Just the yeah. Another swallow. Still swallow. It's the same swallow. No way, look at that. I'm not sure if the same swallow watch the words. There's still the objective.
Party rock is in the house tonight.
2:15. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Yo. Okay. I'm stuck. Wait, get your snakes ready. I know you heard that. Okay, we could go down? Silly. Come with us. You're on. Just a second. We need angles. Angles. I'm not studying. Children. Let's go. Right this. Yo! Our safety is civilization. I must go at all costs. If you agree, answer the call. I don't trust you. You don't agree? You are my enemy. I'm not your enemy. Yeah, that's what I'm speaking. Today is a magnificent day. Where do you come from? Shut up. I ask questions. Now you shut up. Look at me. You don't even. Bro, he's putting on sunglasses. You know, who does he think he is? He thinks he's kind. Oh, kind. The office under the command of a small group of survivors. Why? We are following the path of the highest. Blah blah blah. Nobody cares what you. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch the tiger by its tail. Yo, I genuinely don't know what to do. Because if I join him, I have no choice but to follow him. I know you're there. In any case, why you just me? I said no. I won't do anything with you. Perhaps I did not make myself clear. This guy thinks he's tough or something. I assign you the rank of corporal. I have a mission goal for you. I'm Rosen's guy. According to my intelligence, which is 1 IQ, bro, this guy's double it. Military importance. Find the food for nah. The game basically forces you to do that. Wow. If you have no successfully stupid questions for the ratio, who are you calling stupid? Master, don't listen to Kyle. Please don't listen to him. Croissant, you're talking? Yo, stay silent. Yes, Master, I speak. For you alone. You do not use Americans with friendly when then Kyle's mercy. I hope you is the first thing. That's when you got in your eyes and stop. Damn. We can do that. We can drive him away if we can. Kill him if we must. So go talk to the world. Oh. We all speak. We make your connection, Master. You have to watch over. If you're not going to stop with everything. Insert the password. Chance live. you still a message, just need to speak with me. I already forgot the password. Shoot. My son, good master, good luck. Yo, Cassandra, good. He's even running. Birdies. Birdies. I need to go to talk to the croissant master, dude. Imagine if I named a bird croissant master. That would be crazy, dude. Yo! I did not mean to do that. Oh, swallow. I think it's called a swallow because he has to swallow. Alright. Alright. Yo, why can't I? Where am I? If this video gets 1 like, I will make a part 2 because I really like this guy in this game. Yeah, bro, I'm going down. I don't trust Kai. 2 reasons. He forced me to listen to his orders, which I stated to you guys. No, where do you go? Yeah, but I have none of that. This guy is crazy. Car communist. No. I think I have to stay silent. Ah! Yeah, I have to stay silent. Can't really scream like 11 p.m., 12 p.m. at night right now, in the morning, or night. Yo, I love this guy. Some little goat. Don't worry about him, man. And if you guys enjoyed this video, because the editing takes me like 50 hours, if you guys want a part 2, just actually no. I'm not ending it. Alright guys, here's the deal. I finished today. I'll come back tomorrow. That's the deal. Alright. Goodbye.